Hello, hi, welcome to study blog videos. I will upload more videos. This is our SSC MTS important questions. The difference between a positive proper fraction and its reciprocal is 9 by 20. The fraction is he's asking. Okay, let number be x. In that question, the difference of between the numbers, so we'll let the number be x. And the number is x. The difference means minus. X minus a reciprocal. This is a 1 by x means reciprocal. X is normal and reciprocal is 1 by x. Okay. X minus 1 by x equals to 9 by 20 in that question. Okay. Next, 1 by x minus x equals to 9 by 20. That means 1 by x minus x equals to 9 by 2. We can change this because this is a positive proper fraction and a fraction equals to 1 by x. Okay, so this is LCM. We get 1 minus x squared by x. We know the LCM. Okay, so equals to n cross multiplication. 20 minus 20x square equals to 9 into x equals to 9x. So it's fine. Next, 20x square minus this 20x square plus 20x square, signs change, and 9x plus equals minus 20 equals to 0. 20x square plus 25x, this is a fraction. 25x minus 16x equals to 9x, and next 20x into 20x equals to 400, and 25x into 16x equals to 400. So these are same. 400 is the answer. So this is a correct fraction. This is a common method. 6x. Okay, 5x is a common. 4x plus 5 minus 4 is a common. 4 into 5 equals to 0 is a common method. And in this we have a common 4x plus 5. Okay, we take a common. Next remaining is a 5x minus 4. Then find the x value. 4x plus 5 equals 0. Then 4x equals to minus 5. This is a negative sign. Yes, this is a negative sign. So this is a not right answer because we want a positive sign on. Okay, 4x minus 4 equals 0. 5x plus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to 4 by 5. This is the correct answer, and this answer in that options also. So the answer is 4 by 5.